Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit those post notification bells so that you guys get notified as I post another video. So yeah guys, I'm here currently. Part of this video guys is going to have a voiceover because music was playing and I had to mute the mic so that I could do the video. So yeah guys, half of the video is gonna be um voiced over, right? So yeah guys, I'm just doing the intro now, letting you guys know that part of this video is gonna be voiced over, guys. Remember guys, you can follow me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook you can find me at Erica Shackifer, guys. Yes, remember to hit those post notification bells, yes, so that as I post a video you get notified. Guys, comment. I'm having a problem with the comment section, guys. Comment. Majority of the people that are commenting, they're coming into my message. Not coming at my message to comment I want to see my video. Just comment underneath it. Yes, thank you for that. So today guys, may I cook some sweet pepper pot stew beef, right? So yeah, that's what I'm cooking today, and some rice and peas, because we're Jamaicans and we cook rice and peas on a Sunday, guys. I'm going to be uploading 2 videos today on Sunday. Matter of fact guys, for the whole week I will be uploading 2 videos per day, guys. Yes, we're trying to push the channel out there, and I feel like I'm not being consistent enough with the videos. So yeah guys, that's what we're doing today. We're making some beef, sweet pepper pot beef, right? So yeah guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm gonna look about the beef now. As it finished pressure and everything, so I'm just put little sugar in another pot to brownie. Put little brown sugar in the pot, guys, to get it brown. And then I will add in. So you can just add in the something now. Okay guys, so I'm adding some the browning. That's the beef brown. I'm gonna make that go on. Guys, so this I cut up season them, I'll just add them in to make them go and cook with the meat. Guys, when the food cook in a pressure cooker, it lasts flavor, and you have to cook back in. You have to put back your flavor in it. I use them here. Go and put back flavor. Just make them go and cook with it, guys. I just that want if it just that's beef now, but weird taste. I don't really like cook things in a pressure cooker, but just see the quickness of it. Yeah, put it in a pressure cooker. Some other stuff I may go put in this as well, but just want them here for just let the pot smell good and go and steer. See girl a big. Hey guys, this is how my pot is looking. So it's my pepper pot stew beef, guys. Looks really good. Pepper pot stew beef. I'm gonna make them right, guys. So yeah guys, we're gonna make it cook up and stuff, combine the right and proper way, and let the veggies them cook as well. So yeah guys, stay tuned. The rice in, putting the rice. Tomorrow I want to cook some stuff, guys. Some stew peas with pig's tail and something. Now and then we can get corned beef to put in there. Just something. I don't know, a long time I eat some stew peas. I'm like when it's salty. Yeah. So my Sunday dinner almost finished. Guys, I'm gonna put some salt in this. Hey guys, I put my rice. Push up a piece of heat. Nice, one girl somewhere. Maybe rice, one girl look more too. Can't really want to put it.